Having trouble with your Model 3 horn? It's a common issue, often stemming from electrical faults in the steering wheel. We'll cover the main culprits: a blown fuse, a faulty clock spring, or issues with the steering wheel button itself. Knowing the cause is the first step to fixing it. We'll guide you through the troubleshooting process. The troubleshooting process involves checking these components systematically. The clock spring is a coiled ribbon cable located inside the steering wheel assembly. This flexible component is crucial for transmitting electrical signals from the steering wheel buttons, including the horn button, to the vehicle's main electrical system. The clock spring's coiled design allows the steering wheel to rotate 360 degrees or more without twisting or breaking the delicate electrical wires inside. This maintains a constant electrical connection regardless of wheel position. Over time, however, the clock spring can suffer from wear and tear. Corrosion from moisture, physical misalignment during installation, or simply aging can damage the ribbon cable. When this happens, it interrupts the electrical circuit that powers the horn. This type of failure is particularly common in older Tesla Model 3 vehicles, where the clock spring may have accumulated more wear from regular use. Understanding this mechanism helps explain why horn problems often require inspection or replacement of this critical component. Replacing the clock spring is a more involved repair that requires careful attention to safety. The first and most important step is to disconnect the car battery for safety. This prevents accidental airbag deployment, which could cause serious injury. Always refer to Tesla's service manual for precise instructions. Next, carefully remove the steering wheel and airbag module. This is a delicate process that requires following Tesla's service manual exactly to avoid accidental airbag deployment. Use appropriate tools and work slowly to ensure safety. With the components removed, inspect the old clock spring for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Replace it with a new clock spring kit. These are available from Tesla parts or reputable aftermarket suppliers. Make sure the new part aligns correctly before proceeding. During reassembly, carefully reinstall the steering wheel and airbag module. Use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the exact specifications provided in Tesla's service manual. Proper torque is critical for safety and preventing future issues. Clock spring replacement kits are readily available and cost approximately $150 from Tesla parts or trusted aftermarket suppliers. While professional repairs include labor costs, many owners successfully complete this as a DIY project with the right tools and manual. Tesla vehicles come equipped with powerful diagnostic tools that can help identify issues with your Model 3's horn. These built-in systems provide valuable insights without needing to open the hood. The first diagnostic tool is Tesla's onboard system, accessible through the vehicle's touchscreen menu. Navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Diagnostics to run a comprehensive check. You can also use the Tesla mobile app for remote diagnostics. Connect your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, then access the Diagnostics section in the app. This allows you to check for horn-related faults from anywhere. For more detailed diagnostics, an OBD2 scanner can read specific error codes from your Model 3's computer. Plug the scanner into the OBD2 port under the dashboard. Look for codes like B1C56, which indicates an airbag module issue that could affect the horn. Before working on any airbag components, always disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent accidental deployment. These diagnostic tools help narrow down the cause of horn failures, whether it's a simple fuse issue or a more complex airbag module problem, saving time and repair costs. When deciding between DIY repair and professional service for your Tesla Model 3 horn issue, consider the complexity and safety of the fix. Minor fixes like replacing a blown fuse are straightforward DIY tasks that most owners can handle with basic tools. However, replacing the clock spring or airbag module is more complex and potentially dangerous due to electrical systems and airbag safety concerns. If you're not comfortable working with these components, it's best to seek professional help from a Tesla service center or qualified mechanic. Professional repair costs typically range from $300 to $600 without warranty coverage. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding horn issues in your Tesla Model 3. Regular inspections can catch problems before they become serious. The clock spring should be inspected every 50,000 miles because that's when wear typically becomes noticeable. Look for physical damage, corrosion from moisture, or misalignment that could interrupt electrical signals. A simple multimeter test can confirm continuity in the circuit. Looking ahead, Tesla is planning to eliminate mechanical horn buttons entirely. Instead, future models will use ultrasonic alerts that create sound waves for alerts, or app-based notifications that send warnings directly to your phone. Ultrasonic systems work by generating high-frequency sound waves that humans can hear as alerts, while app-based systems integrate with your Tesla app for customizable notifications. These changes will make vehicles quieter and more connected. Electric vehicle industry trends are shifting towards solid-state electronics, which could phase out traditional clock springs altogether. Solid-state components have no moving parts, making them far more reliable and resistant to failure. Solid-state electronics use semiconductor materials instead of mechanical components, eliminating wear and tear. This technology could make horn systems virtually maintenance-free, greatly improving long-term reliability for Tesla owners. Finally, always keep your Tesla software updated. Over-the-air updates can include new horn diagnostics, virtual repairs that fix issues remotely, and improved detection of potential problems before they occur. Tesla's over-the-air updates are delivered wirelessly and can patch horn-related software issues, run diagnostic checks, and even perform virtual repairs that eliminate the need for physical service visits. Regular updates ensure your vehicle stays current with the latest improvements.